freaking cricket in here. Be free. Liquid tape. Now I think I'll use that one, which is what BMW uses. Pretty sure. What's this? Tools? Oh yeah, that's cool. So many cool things. Stuff. What is this? Yeah, this is what I was looking for the other day. Some flat wrenches. I'll leave these out. Okay. Horn harness. Oh, this is when I put the horn. What else we got? These are awesome. That was quad lock that I used for a bit. Oh, I got so many things in here. Okay, now I need this. This is what I needed. Wonderful. Okay. What don't I need? Okay, very good, very good. I'll leave these tools out. These two out. Okay. The right size for this one is a 22. Using this Turtec really thin one. And in this case, you gotta spin away from you. It is extraordinarily difficult to get this to turn because you don't have a lot of room. But then it looks like the rest you can spin by hand. Sorry, I think I just tightened it again. No. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You spin towards you. I don't know if you can see it. I'm spinning it with my finger, and that's what we needed with this stupid thing. Took the windshield off, and then took the side fairing off, which is very simple. It's only 4 screws. One of them goes here. I tried doing it from underneath, and you really can't get to it. All right, and we can continue to spin it this way, which is what counterclockwise. And also put this down. This is metal, but I didn't want to scratch it. Okay, and that is loose. I need to take this connection off. But I don't know how. Okay, so there's that nut. And this should have a simple, just turn it towards me. Okay, it looks like you might press and pull. Again, really tight spaces here. And you don't have a lot of slack, so you can't really just pull it towards you. I don't know, I need smaller fingers. By movie magic, I was able to fit this already. But one thing to note, it's on the other side, but when you take this off, slide it down, turning it around to release this clip, there's a little thing on the other side. You just kind of use a flat screwdriver and lift it gently and it comes right out. So don't try to yank it. And then this one that I bought comes with a wider nut, and I was able to screw it on this way versus this way, which is really hard to do. So that's all set, and I got 2 of them now. And now moving on to the next project. All right, here we are making sure that this is straight, or it's at an angle where I want to see it when I'm writing. And if it's to this way, then the sun's gonna catch it. So I'm thinking something like this. That's about a perfect. Okay, now we're on the other side. I want to make sure to tighten it evenly. And if you look from the side, you don't want one end squishier than the other. And I just go a little half a turn on each side until we get bingo. Awesome. And then I can put the security, so this is how you take it off. And then